Hey, welcome back guys to another video. I've missed you a lot. Sorry for not uploading for 3 weeks. But today we have a special product. This is a gimbal from DJI, and today we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna tell you some of the features of it, and I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it or not worth it to buy it. This is a digital stabilizer for your phone. If it's good, I'm gonna tell you it's good. If it's bad, I'm gonna truly tell you if it's bad and do not buy it. And without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. And now guys, let's start the unboxing. First of all, it's written DJI on OM4, and you see a picture of the DJI stabilizer. It's a smartphone stabilizer, but filmmakers often call it a gimbal. Now it's written create a magnetic moment. Why does it say that? Because this is the DJI OM4, but the previous DJI OM3 didn't use magnets. This one used magnets. As we can see, it's written magnetic quick mount here. Foldable and portable, active track 3.0, quick roll, gesture control, story mode, story. These are the features of it. And now let's open it. It opens super smoothly. First of all, in here you can see it's written how to use it in 3 steps. And there's a tutorial on DJI's YouTube channel. It's written create a magnetic moment. This is a USB type A to USB type C cable. This is the bottom of the gimbal. This is a magnetic. Both of them are magnetic, but this one is a clamp. And if you have the older model of iPhones or Samsungs, you should use this because it's a riser that will rise this. You stick it on this pad and it will rise it, because the older models of phones are smaller because of that. And this is the gimbal. Let me put that away. And this is written create a magnetic moment. First of all, in this compartment we have this bag. It's written Osmo DJI. And this is inside it. You can use this when you are traveling. For example, you can put your DJI OM4 in it. It's super useful. And this is a guide on how to put this magnetic one, because there is 2 magnetic types. Some paperwork. Let me put that away. And this is a magnetic clamp too. You can stick your iPhone to it too. You should stick. It's just like the things that you hold your iPhone with, like that. And you're gonna stick because it's magnetic. Wait a minute. Oh, it's sticked on. And let me remove it. Actually, if you don't want to buy this model because of the magnets, I recommend you to buy it because it's super useful. Like, the magnets are super strong. First of all, when you open this, just in the bottom you connect this. Just turn it to the right. But like, if you want to be more secure, I recommend you using this model. How you connect, you just pull this to the right, and the DJI it's written DJI, and this is written DJI too. You're gonna just magnetically connect it, and you're gonna hear a click. How do you turn it on? Here we have wait a minute, let me focus it. You have an M button and very little turn on button. You're gonna just hold click, and this will make a sound. Look, and double click that M. It will get horizontal and vertical. This is for recording, and this is for your movement. Look, now I can move my phone just by using this. And for example, wait a minute, you can use this to zoom. Now let me open the app, and I'm gonna show you how the app works. And now this is the app. As we can see, you can use the DJI Mimo app. This is the DJI Mimo app. If you buy this stabilizer, you should download that on the Play Store or the App Store. But you can use this with your just your ordinary camera app, like the built-in camera app. But you can use this DJI Mimo too. I just want to show you because of this story mode. As we can see, there's a story mode. It will montage your videos automatically, and you can zoom it like that. As you can see, this is the zoom. Look, it zooms like that, and when you bring this backwards, it will make your smartphone to the ultra wide one. And you have video, it's the same one, slow motion and time-lapse mode. You can use and hyperlapse mode too. Hyperlapse mode will make it much faster. And for example, you can use your camera app too. For example, you can record it. Look, it took a picture, as we can see, and you can click it on the video. Press the red button. Wait a minute. Look, it's recorded automatically. And that's it actually. Now guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. But don't go. Wait, I'm gonna tell you something. What was the Active Track 3.0 feature? This is a new feature for the DJI OM4. Do you know what's that feature? This is this. Look. The gimbal follows your face. You're gonna just select your face in the Mimo app, and it's gonna follow you. For example, you have not a good cameraman and you're shooting outside. Just tell the cameraman to hold it. This is a gimbal and it will make your footage super smooth. Just put on the active track feature and that's it. You don't need a very good cameraman. His hands can be shaky. There's no problem. This problem will be solved just by using this gimbal. And for me, I think it's worth it. Like if you want to shoot smooth videos, and if you don't have a camera actually, you can just buy this and make it like a camera setup. I recommend it, I super recommend it, and I hope this video was useful, and catch you guys in another video. Peace out.